What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's up? All right. So we had a little slide. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't too vicious, but we tried not to damage the bike. We got some fairing damage. You know what I'm saying? A little bit front mounting damage. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of that front headlight damage. Um, oh, I punctured the brand new radiator. So that's punctured and done for. It's leaking. Bike starts, no ticking and knocking or nothing like that so far. The intake was full of oil, which I already thought, knew it was gonna be full of oil before, but this was hella oil all in here. So it's a lot of crazy weirdness going on through there. Yeah. That's pretty much that. A little slidey slide there. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, bike still runs and starts. Just gotta replace like the fairing, the headlight, the front mount, and I guess I would do some mirrors, but I'm probably gonna go with the mirrors for the grips. So I'm not really too much worrying about the other ones. Here's the damage from the front. As you can see, we're over here flapping, so that's fully split. So yeah, that would normally look like that. So yep, good thing the visor is still good, so I can keep my visor going. Just put this mount on, so whatever, I'll pull the mount back off and put it back on. Show you guys what I mean when I said full of oil. All right, you can see this is the lid right here. You can see hella oil, lots and lots of oil. All right, let's check the bottom. All right, no, this is worse. I actually wiped it off. I'm gonna show you what it looked like before I wiped it off. See how much oil that is right there? If I hold it up right there, it's just so. There you go. You see it moving. So all of that was actually all down here, all in the crevices and everything like that. So this is actually full with oil. That's why it's leaking so much oil on the ground. I'm not sure what's backing it up or why. Here's the broken arm right here. This is what broke. So yeah, that's why I got to get another front mount. The other dang, they're blowing fireworks right here. The other mirror, I just was like, throw it away because it broke off anyway. Yeah, so this is where we at. I still have the other radiator, which was good. The only problem was the freaking fuse bust, and I decided to upgrade the whole system for no reason, which I don't know if that was good or bad, but we're about to put this system back. I don't think I had overheating problems before then, honestly. I didn't pay attention, but at the same time, I didn't even ride this bike far enough. I mean, it was giving me problems, so let's reverse a lot of this stuff right here, guys, and try to get this bike back on the road. Me and Stormtrooper got a long way to go. Look at that. I even broke the bracket that holds this other side over here. That's how bad it was. See that? There's no bracket to hold this. So this radiator is not really usable anymore. So I mean, of course, it's a whole target practice. This thing could be used for. All right, guys. Back to work. I'm out.